The power distribution module looks like this, and you see those two 10 amp fuses on top there, right on top. One should be a 10 amp and one should be a 15 amp. I've been using 10 amps because I've been blowing them. So anyways, the symptoms are as such. I turn the key on and the fan goes on, fuse blows. A lot of the internet will tell you to go ahead and change these coils and change the ECM because your ground is bad. Turns out that my ground was all good, as you guys can see. I went out and got a new ground, well, a junkyard ground that was in good shape. Then I used some of the advice that some other people told me and said disconnect all your sensors, which created a hell of a lot of work. I disconnected all the sensors and did troubleshooting. I was still shorting out, couldn't figure it out. So then I took the old-fashioned Volkswagen bug approach and started disassembling the harness and just started going through the harness. The short, as you guys can see, I took all the harness out over here. I checked all my coil packs. All my coil packs were fine. Here you go, all my coils. That's the ACC connector. That's the throttle positioning sensor. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but as you guys can see, you see that right there? This guy was twisted, shorting out. It usually goes right on top. Usually goes right on top here, and it's taped on because Nissan has shitty wiring. They have all this bullshit tape. It shorted out. Went ahead and split that. Went ahead and checked my fuse. No more shorts. I'll be replacing everything soon. Putting everything back together. Reprogramming the throttle control sensor. So for you guys that can't solve that and you don't have blistering coil packs, don't go out and change your ECM. Check this guy first, okay? This is one of my first videos, but I thought it was most notable because this problem sucks. All right, guys, later. Bye.